good morning, good afternoon and good evening to everybody around the world. It's Lee from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing. Hope everyone's well. Today I'm going to be fishing on a river site, and I have been to the location before, but stronger magnet this time, so you know it's going to get more stuff out. So I haven't got my tripod with me, and I'm still waiting on the chest mount piece to actually arrive, because that got squashed in my bag with all the scrap. So I'll film what I can and go from there. So this is the bit of river I'm going to be at. Some of you will recognise it, just there. And it does appear that it's going to be raining today, but never mind, it's all part of it. So I am affiliated to Kratos Magnetics, and they're excellent products based in USA. Now if you want a 12% discount, I'll put the discount code on the bottom of the screen, and you just type in those words when you check out for 12% off. Now there is shipping and import duties, but the magnets are very strong, very powerful, very much recommended, and there's people all around the world that use those. And shout out to Welsh Adventures and more, because they are also using Kratos over in the UK, based in Wales. And also to Johnny's Corner USA, to Mad Mag 1 over in USA. Keep up the good work everyone, you're doing well. And also shout out to Burkle's Serical as well. They also do lots of various different products and things like that, so go and check their store out, YouTube channel, Facebook, and you can get some amazing custom design products over there. And shout out to davestore.co.uk, and that's a place that you can get merchandise, hats, hoodies, t-shirts, caps, poker chip key rings, poker chips, stickers, gloves, things like that. Very good products. I use those myself, and 5 out of 5 for the product strength and quality. So I've just had best part of 20 casts. I've got some smalls out, nails, bits of magnetic rock, some screws, some bolts, but I've just had all these. So we've got a bit of old tube, there's this plate here, clearly fitted onto something at some time, bit of rebar there, huge pipe there. That just shows the power of the Artemis, which I'm currently using. It's very big pipe. And we've got this pin thing here with a flat point on the end. That wheel just there, so that's off an industrial trolley. And this big grate thing, so if I just move that, so this big grate thing here, let's just come up, there we go. And a bit of drainage pipe. So a few more casts. And I just got this huge length of cable. It's all got copper wire inside it. And this, which is a weightlifting weights. It does appear that there is some 2 kg writing on that. yeah, 2 kg weight, and it's got 2 of them on, so that's 8 kilo on weights, plus these end bits and fittings. Cool. And this is all the cable here that's come out. As you can see, that's, there we are, massive lump of cable. So that'll go back for recycling as well. And lots of bits of cloth, plastic, general debris that's come out. And then in this bag we've just got bits of wire, bits of bar, small nondescript nails, big plate metal cast. Just had this out. It's a bit of cast iron pipe straight out the sill. There we go. So a bit of decoration. So that'll be Victorian drainage pipe there. And as you can see, it's now started to rain, as it said it would. But I'm going to carry on and do what I can do. You just never know. I am on a high embankment, so I haven't got to worry about being caught out with the river. And just come in on the Artemis. My rope's absolutely filthy. I'm using Carabiner KN25. Look at this. It's a massive, beautiful iron. There we go. That's super, super cool. Never ever have I had one of these so intact before. And that's straight out of the sill, and there's some bits of wood on there, so that could have been in a packing crate. Wow, I can't believe what I've just found there. That's amazing. I have never ever had such an item like that. And that's going to be a very large industrial Victorian Edwardian era pre-1915 flat iron. Nice twisted handle. It's a beauty. Oh, I'm well inspired to keep going now. Well, folks, down there, can't really see, but my Artemis is stuck. It's on a railing down there somewhere. Gonna keep trying. I'll try and get it out. Got my magnet bike, very happy. I had a bit of a rest and a few more casts. I've just got a couple more bits, so to show you what I've got. So I just got all this fishing line, and on it is a damaged shotgun shell and a really nice lure as well. So there we go. Just turn it round. There we are. Do love finding them, and bonus, all that line out of the water. So we've just had an old nail, part of a fixing pin with a insulator reel on, broken, so that'll be from a telegraph wire. This handle, now these are actually bucket handles, or they're from dustbins, things like that, the old metal ones, and this has just come out. It's brass, it's got this lever on, iron on the bottom, and on this side it's got like this valve and I can see right inside it. So don't know what that is. It's rather interesting. And just on this cast here, we've just had this old knife thing, a bit of a pipe connector. I've got this knife. It's just there, so that's probably, I'm going to say, a carpet cutting knife with the shape and angle, or it's something to do with glass cutting. Just feel like it's got a slight edge there. That's cool, nice wood handle. So, bit more work and this thing come up. That is a mega piece of iron. There we go. So I've just had this wasp coloured jig and spinner. I like that, that's nice. This piece out of the sill with the glass on it. It's a big piece of cast ingot, and lots of pipe bits, random nails, broken metal, just random pieces, general junk. So magnet was stuck several times, got it back, and got stuck again, and another Evo 1600 stuck, and yeah, the Evo and the Artemis have stuck together, and they won't separate, so they're going to have to be separated elsewhere. So yeah, I will be going away on holiday shortly, and I will do a bit of metal detecting, but there'll be no magnet fishing now for me till the end of this month. So the next time I'll be magnet fishing will be on the 27th at Keith's Collab event, and yeah, I'll be fishing then, and using the green 1800 strength rope. Absolutely amazing, and I highly rate that one, and that's available from Online Magnets. So the scrap's been moved to a collection point. All this big bar come up just there, look, some big bits of pipe all the way across there. Lots and lots of general bits, and that's getting loaded shortly, plus a couple of orange buckets as well, and with this big metal frame, probably a manhole cover holder as well. So area we was, all scrap's gone. All scrap's gone there, all the way down. All scrap's gone, just how it should be. Thanks for watching. So it is raining quite heavy, folks, and it's been a hard day. So I'm gonna ask if you can like, subscribe and comment. I do look forward to reading what you put. It's heavy rain now, so I'm gonna pack it in and say cheerio. So thanks for watching. This is Lee, Magnetic North, magnet fishing. Bye for now, everyone. So I've started cleaning this flat iron up. It's got all its rope work handle intact, and the tools I'm using to do it is a very blunt and down Slater's hammer with this bit of a hammer bit and a pick, and I'm using a flat end screwdriver to get the bulk off here. And after I've done that and I get a bit off, I just use one of these cloth pads to just literally keep wiping it down so I can see the metal and I'm not damaging the item. I'll be back with you as soon as I've done a bit more. So all I do is on the sides and the actual metal is when it's like this, I literally just get the pick part and I just carefully tap and flake away the excess very, very carefully, just like that. As you see, it does flake away. I have got glasses and goggles on. And once that bit's been done, all you do, just give it a wipe with the cloth so you see exactly what's happening, and keep repeating the process. So after a bit of cleaning, it says number 16 Kenrick on it, just there. Could do with a bit more cleaning, but it's stable, it's preserved. Preservation, not restoration. So yeah, rather happy with how that's turned out. Nice find.